unity, harmony, and remembrance. These are the main messages of the day birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Following this day, around the world, especially in the Muslim world and particularly in the Muslim country of Sufi order, this day is largely celebrated around the Muslim world. Following this tradition, this has been followed for the last 400 years, started from Egypt. This is the history of the day, when the birthday of the Prophet Salatu Salam was started being celebrated. Now today, following the tradition in Bolzano, north city of Italy, the day is being with the religious zeal, zest and vigorous being celebrated in Bolzano. This public meeting has been organized by the Minhajul Quran, Bolzano, Italy. We'll give you all the detail about the public meeting. There will be the religious poetry, and especially there will be a very, very informative lecture delivered by, I let you see, Allama Sayyid Farhat Hussain Shah, who will come from Germany. All the details I will provide you in the coming moments, but in the meanwhile, I will let you see that the program is going to be organized and will be started definitely in a few minutes. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.